Exercise 8.3 is pretty straightforward. They tell us this company borrowed money and signed a note for $21 million, and they took this note on August 1st. It's due to be paid back January 31st, but their year end is December 31st, so we have to have an adjusting entry in here to recognize the interest expense for 2018, and then we'll pay it in 2019. So the issuance of the note is pretty straightforward. We got $21 million. So that's a debit to cash and a credit to notes payable. Now, the end of the year, we have 5 months interest. We have all of August, all of September, all of October, all of November, and all of December. So that's 5/12. That's how many months we have. 5 months of the 12-month year times 21 million. And because this is multiplication, you can put them in any order you like, times the interest rate, which in this case is 9%. And when we do that math and plug it into your calculator, please don't take my word for it, you come up with $787,500. That's to recognize how much we owe them for 2018. We won't pay this until 19. So we debit interest expense, $787,500, and credit interest payable, $787,500. Wrote that in the wrong line, sorry. Now, in January, we're going to pay them. But we also have to pay them 1 month's interest for January. So we have to figure out the interest expense for January, which is 1 month of the 12 in the year, times the 21 million, times the 9%. And again, please don't take my word for it. Please plug it into your calculator, and you'll come up with $157,500. So altogether, this is the amount of total interest we're going to pay them. So that's 0.00054. We're going to be paying them $945,000 interest, and we're going to be paying them back their $21 million. So the amount of cash we're going to be paying is $21,945,000. That's how much cash we're going to be paying. So now we have to plug in the pieces. The note payable for $21 million, we're paying all of that, so that's going away. So we debit note payable. It's costing us $21,945,000 in cash, so that's our credit to cash, $21,945,000. We're going to be paying off the interest we recognized from last year. That's our interest payable of $787,500, and we're going to be paying the interest for 1 month of this year of $157,500. Not difficult, you just had to make sure you put the pieces in the right places and got all of them. This is the piece that most people have trouble figuring out. Remember, at the end of the year, we recognize the interest expense for that year, and then the next year, just the interest expense for that year, and then we add them together and pay the whole amount.